Hi, I'm Austin Ashbacker. Today we're going to talk about how to connect your Eos Arrow Gold GPS to Vermeer Projects on your iOS operating system. So let's get started. To start out, you want to make sure that your device is turned on and is Bluetooth to your device. So you'll go into Settings and you'll go to Bluetooth. And we have already connected our Arrow Gold to our device. So from here we'll go out and we'll go into our Eos Tools Pro app. Within this app, there's a few menus at the bottom. Under the differential menu is where you will enter your address, your port number, your password and username, as well as select a mount point. And then from there, you'll go back to status. And under status, it's showing that you're getting that sub-inch correction within the app. So from here, we're gonna go out and we're gonna go into Vermeer Projects. Within Vermeer Projects, you'll select the compass. You'll hit your drop-down, select a device. There are three options. You'll select the type of device that you are using and select Connect. In the bottom left-hand corner, it will show high accuracy activated. In order to check your accuracy, you can click on that session information, and it's going to show accuracy less than 1 inch, so you know that you're getting that good correction. That's all for this video. We'll see you next time.